welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Jenna. In today's video, I am going to be vacuuming my entire house. Every single floor and every single room. I'm going to be vacuuming my couch and my stairs as well. They are carpeted. If you are new here, please make sure you subscribe. But if you are new here, then you don't know that I have 3 dogs, 2 Pembroke Welsh Corgis and 1 dog that is a mix. He is a mix of a boxer lab and we assume a Rottweiler because he is so large, but they all shed like crazy. I also have 2 children. I have a 2.5-year-old Savannah and I have a 3-month-old Maverick. Maverick doesn't really make a mess, but Savannah does. Needless to say, the house can get kind of messy with the crumbs and the dogs and the hair and the dirt and yeah. So today's Saturday, I'm going to sweep the entire house. It's going to be exhausting, but it's so worth it. I really need to get it done. And it's kind of easier to get it done when my husband, Zach, you see right there, is home. And let's get into this. This vacuum that I am using is a Bissell vacuum. I'm not really sure about the exact model that this is, but it is a Bissell. My mom gave me this vacuum because our other vacuum when we moved into this house, she said was terrible. So she decided she wanted to get a new one and she gave us this one. This really picks up the dog hair really well on this tile floor and on our rug that you guys saw over there. The rug, oh my gosh, that is a magnet for the dog hair. I can't stand it. But it really gives the room a nice cozy feel, so we keep the rug. Now this handheld cordless vacuum is my Bissell pet hair eraser, and I absolutely love this. I've done a review on it before, and I will link it up top for you and down below for you guys. But this really helps me get the dog hair off of the pillows and off of the couch. I've been using this, I think I've had it for maybe 4 months now, and I'm still obsessed with it. It does have different extensions that you can put on there, but this one's my favorite. As you will see, I will also use it on the stairs when I sweep the stairs a little bit later on, but I love this. It is awesome. I have started vacuuming our upstairs more frequently because recently, as you see my daughter Savannah there, she has been wanting our big dog Rudy to be sleeping in her bedroom with her. He sheds like crazy. I mean, he sleeps on her bed or on the floor, but he sheds a lot. So I have to sweep like crazy upstairs now, and I have to wash her sheets even more frequently because I cannot stand the buildup of the dog hair. It is insane. And as you see, I let the laundry build up again in my bedroom. That is like my worst trait. I just let the laundry build up until all the baskets are full, and then I fold and put it away. I will link that extreme laundry motivation video to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. If I had to pick one thing that I dread vacuuming, it would be my carpeted stairs, as you see here. It is so hard to get all of the hair, especially built up in the cracks right there. I will even pull it out with my fingers. I have tried different extensions before. It's just a big pain in the butt. My mom even said when we first moved in, I was very pregnant, and she carpet cleaned the stairs, and she said it was really hard to get that done, and especially vacuuming it. So maybe in the future we'll have to look into something different, but it is pretty difficult to do that. Alright, I'm going to end this cleaning vacuum video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Please consider liking this video if you liked it and subscribing to become part of our YouTube family. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!